Hi, welcome to Tech channel. Here we are going to see the transformer vector group testing part 4. In part 4, we are going to see Dyn1 and Dyn11 vector group test. How to perform this testing. First we will see Dyn1. Our primary side is delta and our secondary side is star. We have to give 3-phase supply to our primary side, and we have to short the R phase of your HV and LV, and we have to make a barricade over the transformer. Before testing, the safety is must. And here I have shown the vector diagram of our transformer. Our secondary side, it is 1 o'clock, and this, for our easy understanding of our testing, I am just going to merge this. This is a 1 o'clock. I am going to not going to change any angles. I am going to make same parallel here, because this 2U and 1U it gets shorted. So this is how the similarly I have drawn over here. From this I am going to take the 3 condition. First we will see the condition 1. For condition 1, we have to take voltage between 1U and 2N. And second, we have to check voltage between 2N and 1W. Third, we have to check voltage between here to here, that is 1W to, that is 1U to 1W. When you see here, when you add this two, it should be equal to this 1U and 1W. For measuring this voltage for condition 1, the R phase voltage of our HV, that is 1U, and neutral phase of your secondary, that is LV side, 2N. 1U, 2N. We have to note this value. Second, we have to measure voltage from HV side B phase and LV side neutral, that is 1W, 2N. When you combine these two voltage, it should be equal to 1U, 1W. This voltage should be equal to, you have to get measured between R phase and B phase, face to face. For condition 2, this 2W and 1W voltage we have to check. 1W, 2W. This should be equal to, when you measure voltage between this 1W, 2V voltage. Checking voltage for condition 2 is, we have to check voltage between HV side B phase and LV side B phase, that is 1W, 2W. This should be equal to, when you measure the voltage between HV side B phase and LV side Y phase, that is 1W, 2V. These two should be equal. Our condition 3. For third condition, we have to check voltage, that is 2V and 1V voltage. 1V, 2V voltage we have to check. This should be lesser than 2W, 1V, 2W voltage. For checking voltage on condition 3, we have to check from HV side Y phase voltage to LV side Y phase voltage. It should be lesser than HV side Y phase voltage to LV side B phase voltage. This should be greater than our previous value. If all these 3 conditions get satisfied, then our vector group Dyn1 get passed. Now we are going to see the Dyn level vector group testing, and this is our vector group representation. This is our second side. Our vector group is level o'clock. Now for our easy understanding, I am going to merge this with HV side because our U1 and U2 is get shorted, and for HV side we are going to give 3-phase power supply. Now I am drawing this same thing over here. From this I am going to take 3 conditions. Condition 1, I am going to measure voltage from 1U to 2N. 1U 2N. Second, I am going to measure from 2N to 1V. 2N to 1V. Third, I am going to measure from 1U to 1V. 1U to 1V. Now if I sum these two values, it should be equal to 1V, 1U, 1V. When I add these two values, it should be equal to from this end to this end. This is our condition 1. For condition 1, for measuring voltage for condition 1, R phase of your HV and neutral of your LV, that is 1U 2N. You have to note this value. Second, Y phase of your HV and neutral of your LV. This two value we have to add sum, and finally we have to measure the phase to phase R and Y, that is 1U 1V. This value should be equal to the previous summation value. For condition 2, 1V 2W, we have to check the voltage from 1V to 2W. It should be equal to 1V 2V. This both it should be equal. That is 1V 2W should be equal to 1V 2V. For checking this condition 2, you have to check Y phase of your HV side and B phase of your LV side, that is 1V 2W. It should be equal to or Y phase of your HV side and Y phase of your LV side. These two values should be equal. For condition 3, we have to check voltage between 1W 2W. 1W 2W we have to check, and also we have to check the voltage 1W 2V. When you see this diagram itself, it is very clear. It is smaller, it is greater. The value 1W 2W should be smaller, 1W 2V should be higher. For checking the voltage for condition 3, we have to check HV side B phase voltage and LV side B phase voltage. That is our 1W 2W value. This value should be smaller. Second, we have to go for checking HV side B phase voltage and LV side Y phase voltage. That is 1W 2V voltage. This should be greater. All these three conditions has to satisfy for vector group Dyn level. From this we came to the end of the section. I think by seeing all this part 4 vector group testing, you can able to test all kind of vector groups. If you have any doubts in the electrical, you can post your doubts in the comment box, and I will try to clear your doubts. And if you think this section is useful for your friend, then please share this section to your friends. Thank you for watching this video.